Hey guys, what's up? It's Electric11 here with another video. I'm here to show you how I make my cereal. So, of course, we start off with milk in a bowl. I like my milk cold because I like cold. And next I put a cereal I like Fruit Loops. I think I put too much. And, oh shit, you saw. Well, you guys saw already. I'm gonna add some ice cream. The words are backwards on for you guys, but for me it says Rocky Road. Oh, I have a lot. Well, some. Get a spoon. And magic. Not only that, I add something else. Let me just put this back in the freezer. I got 3 or 4 things to get. What cereal doesn't have banana? And honey. I need a knife. Chop chop. If you guys are copying me, don't, because this is not safe. I could do this with my fingers, but I don't feel like it. Chop, 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 chop. I like saying chop, it sounds funny. I just saw my brother walk in my room. It's 9 o'clock. I'll show you the time of this morning. Yeah. 9 o'clock. Put the bananas. Banana. Honey. Gotta do this quick. My ice cream is melting. 2 last things. I'll leave that there. Strawberries. I gotta wash 4. 3, 4. I know how to count. Counting with Brandy is very hard. Chop. Ooh, that was loud. Hope my parents didn't hear that. My gosh. Um, that I did wash them. And I've strawberry, 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 strawberry. This is how it looks. Oh my gosh, so delicious when I eat it now. Ice cream's down there. And the last thing, I always need. Right, Kevin?
Cherries.
Cherries. Oh, cherries are hard to get. Want one? Want cherry? Okay, go over there. I'm just gonna put 3 cherries. Sort of messy. And that concludes the video. A masterpiece. I would have got whipped cream, but I don't have any. So peace out, biters.